Creatine is a nitrogenous organic acid that is naturally produced by the body and assists in the supply of energy to cells. Creatine can be obtained from food sources including fish and meat products. However, it can also be synthesized artificially and consumed through supplements. Creatine promotes and increases the body's ability to create the compound adenosine triphosphate, which is the primary source of energy for the anaerobic energy system. This energy system is responsible for supplying energy to muscles during short but highly intense bursts of physical activity. Creatine therefore can increase muscle strength, reduce muscle fatigue, and consequently improve athletic performance. Creatine is an extremely popular supplement consumed by the average Joe to high-performance professional athletes of essentially any sport. In addition to exercise enhancement purposes, clinical studies are investigating the use of creatine to improve mental ability and also in the treatment of a range of neuromuscular and neurodegenerative disorders. Creatine's basic molecular structure, similar to generally all amino acids, centers around carbon. The leftmost carbon atom is bonded to 3 nitrogen atoms, 2 of which are single bonds, and the third a double bond. It is also shown that 2 hydrogen atoms are bonded to the leftmost nitrogen atom and the double bonded nitrogen atom. The third nitrogen atom is positioned centrally and bonded to 2 additional carbon atoms. The centrally positioned carbon atom is bonded to 3 hydrogen atoms, whilst the carbon atom positioned centrally right is bonded to 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 carbon atom. Finally, the furthermost right carbon atom is bonded to 2 oxygen atoms, with one of these oxygen atoms being bonded to a hydrogen atom. The anaerobic energy system is responsible for producing high-intensity movement, which is generated by the muscle through the rapid expenditure of ATP. The body's natural storage and replenishment of ATP is relatively limited, and therefore an individual can only perform at these intensities for a short period of time. Once ATP is expended, it is converted into ADP, a molecule that cannot generate further energy. The accumulated ingestion of creatine and hence conversion to phosphocreatine is significant during ATP depletion. The phosphate group is detached from the phosphocreatine and is bonded to a molecule of ADP. This bonding of the phosphate converts the ADP back to ATP, and therefore more energy can continue to be supplied. Sports and exercise, particularly soccer, are very important aspects of my life. I'm highly competitive and always strive to enhance my athletic abilities. These characteristics have developed a personal desire to improve my muscle mass, athletic ability, and body composition, resulting in regular weight training and use of creatine supplements.